Welcome back to the third video in this tutorial series about Fistbraiding. In this video, it's all about controlling shape. In the last two videos, I have shown you how to make a basic braid with a spiral to the left or to the right, and how to change twist from left to right. Note that you have made a round braid. Now I will show you how to control the shape, and we transition from a round braid to a square braid. We pick up the braid again and position everything nicely. So in the last step, we already started from the back. Now we mix it up. Once we start from the back, once we start from the front. So again, with the first group, we start from the back. Tuck slightly, pull it to the front, pair it with the corresponding upper, and so on. Switch over. Now you have to remember with which group we started from the front and from the back. So with red we start from the back, now we start from the front. Front, lower is green. Oh, now I missed a mistake, I'm sorry. So like this here, I forgot to pair. Now I'm switching over again. So now I have to remember, with red and blue, I start from the back. So this one here. Bring it over, pair it, and so on. So remember, with green and yellow, we start from the front. And that's it already. The whole secret is where to start from. Once from the back, with one group from the back, with one group from the front. We'll quickly check. Yeah, it's not yet visible. I will continue braiding a little bit and then show you the result. See you back soon. I continue braiding for a little bit by alternating taking the first thread from the front or from the back, and this is the result. So you clearly see here we took all the threads from the front, then we inverted the color pattern. We were taking all the threads from the back, so it turns back again, and here the color pattern goes straight, which means we alternated taking from the front and from the back. One group taking from the front, this here, the other one we took always from the back first. And that's it. Now we can control the shape. We can change over from round to a square braid. Now we have learned the basics of fist braiding. You know how to twist, you know how to braid straight, and that's it. Now you can already experiment with patterns. You can change the color of these threads here, you can change the twisting direction, you can braid straight for a while, then twist the direction, and so on. The possibilities are nearly endless. Have fun!